What's up, you guys? It's a late night, but we are on the bike. Got the V4 out. We're gonna do 3 night photo shoots. Why are we doing this at like 1 AM? Because when a company with 5.5 million followers contacts you, yeah, you don't say no. So anyway, I can't say too much about that because there's other big things actually happening in the background, which is great. So we're gonna keep it quiet. Anyway, we're gonna go to a couple of spots. Sorry, I can't talk, I'm freezing. And shoot this lovely bike. I'm gonna shoot it at, well, at some of London's most iconic landmarks. That's the plan. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, it's cold. Anyway, guys, yeah. Damn. You guys, look how empty London is. There is nobody here. And that is why it's perfect for me to shoot right now. Absolutely perfect, because no one's on the roads. So yes, it's all good. It's all good, it's all good. Here, full squad and everything. Yep, third on squad. Man has got a bunch of them in there. Oh, they ready to arrest somebody. 100%. I think here Should be right. Otherwise, obviously, you can park anywhere along there. But I'm just gonna shoot here.
Yeah.
So it says double yellow, and I read the sign in it, so it should be right. But is that what you think? Right, you guys. So we are shooting the V4 in. Well, as you can see, we're in Piccadilly. So it already got a lot of attention. We shot it here. We shot it there. Did some long exposures. I'll show you guys some shots in the studio and stuff.
Knocking, boots broom on Miley. When I pop out like lightness, polished, briefcase, no wallet. Just blew a bag like Scotsman. Kept that in the AM going real fast. UK honey at the drill that Pondsman.
But yeah, this is for a very good reason why I'm doing this. So let's crack on with it. Let's get on with it. I don't know if I need an ND filter. Hopefully not. Right. Let's hope. Right, so imagine for all this we even brought a camera car out. I'll show you guys. Yeah. That's your grip, stabilizer, camera, or GoPro batteries. Yeah. So we are well equipped. I don't know when this thing's recording or not recording. So annoying. Frick's sake. Right, you guys. We've wrapped up at Piccadilly. Next spot. Real quick, we're going to Tower Bridge. Guys, this is a random and quick vlog. I don't want it to be a long one. I just want it to be a quick vlog, showing what I'm getting up to, and that's it. I need fuel already, man. Are you serious? Really? You must be playing, man. I put fuel in you the other day. How do you want fuel now? Gotta be joking, man. Jeez. It's like loves drinking fuel. Honestly, not even riding it hard or fast. But no, just wants to drink. good, London. Looking good, looking good. Teacher driving real slow. What is this guy doing, bruv? Location 2, ladies and gents, we're at the beautiful Tower Bridge. Got the gorgeous V4 out. That needs fuel again, for goodness sake, as usual. Anyway, she's there in all her glory. We're gonna get the camera, start for our shots.
Just blew a bag like Scotsman, kept that in the AM going real fast. UK honey at the drill that bonds me. Bailed out, no conflict. Might have said I love her, but I never.
Absolutely gorgeous. Tower Bridge, ladies and gents, and the Shards. Nice. Alright, the next spot.
They expected me to switch when I receive love. Gotta let the marathon run its natural course. I can feel the force. Knocking, boots Bruno on Miley. When I pop out like lightning. Polished, briefcase, no wallet.
Guys, that is a wrap for that shoot. I'm on the carriageway, taking it easy. So yeah, we did Piccadilly, Tower Bridge. I can't remember what else, but we've got some nice shots there. I want to start longer, but as you can see, it's still dark, right? And I'm not waiting another 2 hours for it to brighten up. It should have brightened up already by like 4, which is 41 minutes ago. So that's it for the night. We've got some fire stuff. I'm happy with what we got. So yeah, should be all good. Should be all good.
If I ever took an L and made it bad, so the dogs are we gon' get it, that's a fact. They counting on me, I can't let my people down. Standing tall, 10 toe to the ground. If I ever took an L and made it bad, so the dogs are we gon' get it, that's a fact. They counting on me, I can't let my people down, yeah. Standing tall, 10 toe to the ground.
I was eating those free lunches, now I'm paid from these rats. I've been spazzing here lately, they done told me just relax. They been sleeping on the boy, I don't ever take no naps. Got that rubber band flow,